Hey guys, it's me Shana, and today we're gonna be doing a Hermes Beauty unboxing. Let me just move this candle a bit here. Yeah. So okay, these we can move away. So first we're gonna be unboxing these 3 products. Marissa, which one do you wanna do first?
This.
Okay, we'll be doing this one. So let's read it first. So this is the rose pomade 32 seconds. And then this one is the coral faux 51 satin. Yeah, okay, let's open it. This is the box. Comes in a cute little box, and you have to push this out.
I would push it. What?
Okay, let's just move these boxes.
I did it. So I just did it.
Now there's this little pouch, and woo! There's a little lipstick. These are limited edition, so like it's really hard to get. I think you can't really get these anymore, like the case. So let's open it.
Oh, I just opened it. I don't.
Okay.
We can't wear it.
We can. Just
no, we can't.
We can't. We can.
We can't.
Wait,
we can't wear lipstick.
Wait. So this is what it looks like. This is the color. Wait, let me just turn it.
Oh, it's a puppet.
No.
Hi, I'm a boba.
You don't want to put it close to the candle, or else it will melt. It'll look weird.
Oh no.
And that's what it looks like. We're not gonna wear it yet. I'm gonna put this down. Also, this is magnetic. So yeah, let's now look at the other one. I'll show you it.
I
This
have
one
a
is
puppet.
pink and green.
So we can't wear the lipstick.
This one's more of a dark red. Actually, no. Are these both the same? Let me see. I keep forgetting. Oh yeah, this is more of a hot pink. Whereas this one is this is a hot pink, the one I showed before. This is a bit of like.
Sooner or later, the lipstick will get melt. Try.
Yeah.
So later, the lipstick will get
close
melt.
it. Okay. Let's put these aside. And let's open. Wait, no, this one's for later. Sorry about that. Okay.
Wait,
you can open this one.
Ooh, okay.
Okay,
what it says?
This is a lip care balm, also known as lip balm.
Yeah.
But this is a lip brush.
Okay, I want to open this one.
Okay, I'm gonna open this.
Okay. What?
The box is also the same, so you have to push it out.
Why in the?
Whoa. Okay, let's just show this first. This is just a lip brush that you can put on like lipstick and stuff.
It's not an eyeliner.
It has It
looks like a.
It's
not.
It's for lips, of course. It has pink and white.
Why is it short?
And like gold or bronze. So
see your level.
Wait, you can do that later.
I like this brush.
Okay, let's just put this over here.
Wait, I want. No,
I need to show the lip balm. Don't open this yet. Lip balm. Wow. This one is a bit of like just 2 colors here, and that's what it looks like. Ooh, this lip balm, it's just more rounded than the other one.
You can brush.
Yeah, it's like
a paint. You want to see the brush?
It's just white and gold.
It's a magic brush.
Okay.
Ta-da!
Put this over here.
So I will open this one.
Yeah, actually, I'll open it.
No.
Then you show them. Oh
no.
wait. Yes, that
I'll
one.
open this one. Okay, what?
Oh, this one is the. Wait, let me show. This is a universal lip pencil.
It looks like a mom. It looks like a child.
To be careful. How do I open this?
Wait, I will show you.
Oh no.
You can open like this.
Yeah, you have to twist it. I have to twist it. It's white, so you just put it around your lips. Okay, we're just gonna be applying the lip balm first. I'm gonna open those two later.
But we don't want
So
to open.
it's okay. Marissa, which lipstick do you want to use? Do you use a coral or what was it? Or
Coral.
Okay. Oh, use the lip brush on you.
Huh? What did that one goes?
Okay. Show me your lips. Can you see it? Oh my gosh, wait, not yet, not yet.
So you can't see the lip.
I can. I put like really lightly, so yeah, I'm not gonna use the lipstick. I'm gonna use the lip balm, cause yeah.
Open.
This side.
Oh no, it's just stuck. Help.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wipe a bit of this lipstick on my finger, on my hand, and do this.
What in the? What in the? What? What? Ah! What?
There's also a lip pencil, so I put like a little bit since I don't need a lot. Lip pencil.
Shola, there's no
Oh, this is no that's
color. There's no color. Shola, you see there's no color.
There is, okay. Hermes. I don't know how this works. I don't really use lip pencils.
Oh. What in the?
It's just like white.
What in the?
Okay. I mean, I guess we'll just move on since. Yeah. It
No,
doesn't
no,
really
no,
look
no,
like we use
no, no,
much.
no, no.
You know what? I'll just put on some more lip balm. Actually, no.
Some
I'll put
more.
on the other lipstick. I'll put on the other one. I forgot the name, but you can like. Which one did I use again?
This one.
Oh wait, no. That's what you did, right? Which one did I put on you? Oh yeah, I put on this one.
Just kidding.
Just kidding. Okay, so this one is the
What
hot
and,
pink one. Ooh, it says Hermes over there.
Oh no, I broke it. Just
I can't
kidding.
really see it.
Just kidding. Wait, can you put over here? You can! Oh my gosh, you can. Look at this one. So you had to put this one and put like this. No way you can put like this.
Wait, can you see it?
Worst.
I'm just gonna try and see if I can.
oven. I think it kind of not work.
You can kind of see.
Show the microphone. This is the microphone about it. Oh, I want to poo on it.
Yeah, oh, okay, I'm just gonna put this camera back. I'm sorry about that. Sorry about that again. Okay. Now let's move on. Okay,
So look, I put like this.
Ooh, that's good.
Nails.
Okay, now let's move on to this.
What
the
is it?
last ones.
Orange or pink?
Okay, so before I get into more detail, these two are really new. We just bought them 2 days ago at Hermes. So they're nail polish. They're really new. They come in 24 colors, but I just bought 2. Yeah, they're just really new.
No.
I heard they like.
No,
There's
so
no
like
limit too, so you can just buy as much as you want. You can buy the whole thing, and yeah, I bought 2 because we were gonna try it first. So let's. Oh wait, I'm gonna like. After I open, I'm gonna show you what's like on the website. So this one is the this is the orange 39 orange puppy.
Hey, that's mine.
Oh yeah, that's your one. And then my one is
let's see.
rose magenta. It matches our necklaces, but her one's a bit darker.
I can't do it.
Just push it like this here myself. Whoa!
Come here, orange.
I mean, it looks a
It's
bit like
stuck.
yeah. It looks it's like both matching. Except this one's a bit darker. It's okay. I'm gonna be trying these on
nuts.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna show you what's like on the website. So this is for the rose magenta.
Oh no, the balm.
I actually forgot which one I did, but I think I did okay. So this is
I can't see it.
This is the
It looks like a table.
Orange puppy. It's so bright.
Sugar, orange.
Did I show the magenta puppy before?
Sugar, pink, orange, and pink are getting married by the tables.
This is the magenta one. Because I'm so confused which one to show.
Can you do it?
Yeah, there's 24 colors, and I only picked that.
It looks like a
this
table.
This one's my one. This is Hermes. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on Hermes's nails. Okay, so now let's put on the nail polish. Okay, let's just do one hand first, because I'm kind of scared. I can't do both hands for myself. And these are like really brand new, so.
Okay, I'm going to sleep.
Ooh.
I'm sleeping again.
Don't move. Oh, these are like at $70 each. For each.
Damn, it's 7 a.m.
I'm not gonna put it like. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on me. I feel like that was a long time I did for her. Since her like nails are smaller, it's kind of hard. Since mine are like bigger.
Wow. Okay, so I'm going to try. Okay, so I'm going to try.
Okay.
I can sing. Wait a minute. What's wrong? Ah, camera on my mom.
Shut.
Oh, yeah. Hi. Wait a minute. Hi.
Yeah, I'm gonna clean this because it's a bit
I'm
messy.
Fence, and today I am going to sing. I'm about to sing Ariana Grande. Oh my gosh! Watch me.
Okay, I guess it's done. Other than the fact I need to clean up. But yeah. Ooh. Okay,
Hi,
babe, I'm gonna clean
my
this
name
up.
is Ariana Grande.
Okay, so we just cleaned our edges for here. It looks okay. It's decent.
No, they can sing Ariana Grande.
Okay, yeah, so it's short nails. So it kind of looks like.
They can.
But they're really cute, I guess. Okay.
Wait, they are not cute.
See,
Wait, they can sing Ariana
I hope
Grande.
you enjoyed this video. That's the end of the
Hi,
video.
my
I
name
hope you enjoyed this video. Please
Hi,
follow.
my name is Ariana Grande.
This video's finished. Please follow our Instagram, Facebook, Twitter,
Not you.
TikTok.
I can.
Instagram? Did we say it already?
TikTok.
No, I already said that. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like it. And if you have anything to say in the comments, just comment down below. It can be your own opinion down. Yeah. And if you like our content in general, please don't mind subscribing. That would really help out. Ooh. Yeah. Bye.
Bye. Mwah.